Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to color this big giant cupcake. Do you guys love cupcake? Hit the like button and there is two strawberries, a big bow and the 2 cherries.
Wow. And I see a little cute heart as well, Amira.
Yes.
Wow.
Let's start coloring.
Let's go.
So first I am going to color the top cherry.
Oh, you like cherries, Amira?
Yes. Red color.
Hi, Amira.
Hi.
Wow. I heard that today you are going to color a big giant cupcake.
Yes.
Wow. I can see this is very big. Wow. And look at this cute strawberries, a bow, these cherries, and yes, of course, a little cute heart. Wow.
It is 12 meters high.
It is 12 meters high. Okay. My God. You measured it.
Yes.
That's nice.
I want to do it again.
Okay, you can show me how you measured it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29.
Oh, so it is 29 meters?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Then how will I eat it?
Okay, you are going to eat it. Can you share it with me? I also love cupcakes.
Okay.
Oh wow, this cherry is looking so beautiful. Red cherry.
So guys, I'm done with red color.
So what is your next step?
To color the stem.
Okay.
Light green color. So guys, I'm done with light green color.
Okay, so your cherry is ready.
Yes.
Okay, cherry on the top. It says cherry on the top. Okay. So now what you are coloring next?
A paper.
A paper. Okay. So can you show us your colors, Amira? What colors you are going to use? Wow. These are so beautiful colors. How many colors are there?
12 colors.
12 colors. Okay, and I see here as well. So many beautiful colors you have.
And watercolors.
Okay, and these are the watercolors. Wow, and who are those sitting here? The cute friends. What are their names?
She is Hello Kitty, my favorite.
Hi, Hello Kitty.
Hi.
Okay.
This is Barbie.
Barbie. Oh, wow, my favorite Barbie. And then?
My also.
Okay.
And this is Unicorn.
Unicorn. Wow. These are your friends, Amira?
Yes.
Okay, so let's start. So what color you are going to use for this pepper?
rainbow colors.
Rainbow colors, different colors you are going to use.
Yes.
Okay.
First red color.
Okay. This cupcake is going to be delicious and beautiful. Wow. I like red color. Do you know red is my favorite color?
Yes, I know your favorite color. Red, black and yellow.
Yes, these are my favorite colors. Wow, look at this. The first column is done. The first strip of the paper. And it's looking perfect.
Now let's color orange color.
Okay, let's take the orange color.
I also have like this eraser.
Oh, you have an eraser like this.
Yes, a strawberry.
A strawberry eraser.
And this inside part was pink color and the seeds was white color.
Okay. We can get different types of erasers, sharpeners as well.
And pencils.
Yes.
Like lead pencils.
Wow, this orange color is also good.
Definitely, I also have lead pencils.
Oh, you definitely have it. Okay. Wow. Amazing. Wow. That is good coloring.
Now yellow color.
Okay, let's do yellow color. Do you know the slang? Yellow, yellow.
Dirty fellow.
Yes. These sketch pens are very good, Amira, right? You like it?
Yes.
You can color it easily with this.
Yes.
And it is so smooth.
Smooth.
Okay, so what will be the next color?
Light green.
Light green, okay.
Dark green color.
Okay, next we have dark green. Your choice of colors are very good, Amira. And you are doing it perfect.
If you do the border, the color will go. Don't get out. If you don't do the border, the color will go out.
Yes, so it is very important to do borders first.
Yes. Dark blue.
Show me, show me. Wow, this is also looking good. And it is matching to your outfit.
This one is very, very smooth.
Yeah.
And it's little bit watery.
Okay. Done with the blue color. Now let's see what will
Light
be the light blue color. Okay, here we go.
Watch out.
Watch out. Wow, amazing, Amira. Now I am hungry and I also want to eat a cupcakes. How many cupcakes you can eat, Amira?
20,000.
20,000. Oh my god. That's a big number, Amira. No one can eat 20,000 cupcakes. You will get loose motion if you eat that much cupcakes.
And I will get fat.
Yes, surely you will get fat. But we don't want to get...
tricked you.
Yes, I know you tricked me.
Purple.
Okay, so next is purple color. And
No.
no, you change your mind?
Yes.
Why? And what will be the next?
Pink color.
Pink color? I think purple was a good idea, Myra. Because you told me that you are going to color pink here. So I think purple will be good there.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you for
Rainbow
listening.
has 7 color, not 8 color.
Yes. Thank you for listening. I appreciate it. You wanted to color it like a rainbow. 7 colors.
Yes.
But here are 8 stripes. It's okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. Yes. And it looks perfect. Wow.
Now let's color the heart.
Okay, and here we go.
Pink color.
Pink color heart. Which is your favorite shape?
Hearts and flowers.
Oh, wow.
I can also make a heart unicorn.
Wow. I love unicorns.
I will show you after.
Okay, after this coloring video, you
Yes.
can show us. Wow, this heart is beautiful. Okay, so here we go. Wow. Now what will be our next step? What you are going to color? Okay, so when you are going to color these cute little strawberry, a bow and a cherry?
I will color it.
Okay. If you want, you can color it later as well.
I want to color it later.
You want to color it later? Okay, that's fine.
Mama,
Hmm.
what is this?
This is the part of cupcake.
Bread.
Yeah, that's correct. That is a bread. Yes.
I want to color it yellow.
Yellow, yes. The bread is always white, yellow in color. The cupcake bread.
Oopsie.
What happened?
I colored it wrong.
It's okay. okay.
The bread is brown. I also have brown.
It's okay, but the cupcake breads are usually light in color, that is yellowish, mostly yellow in color. Now I am going to order the same cupcake for my birthday party.
My also.
Okay, you also want the same color cupcake
Yes.
and the same design as well?
Yes.
Okay. Let's do another layer of this cupcake. So what are you planning, Amira?
To color this dots.
Okay. The circle, little circles.